local village of Avoca. So I'm continuing on my little trip down to Wicklow, same day as doing the tree walk. So I thought I'd come down to this small little town and do this little walk around tour. It'll be probably a 5-minute video. There's not much here really. There's a bridge, there's a man, and there's a river. And a small little village, little country village. So Avoca, the name is very famous because of the Avoca shop for sandwiches. I've had the chance to have one of them. They're absolutely delicious. They're a bit expensive now. I haven't had one in a while. But isn't that just a very tranquil, beautiful Irish scenery? And of course we have the church. Let's see if we can make it across viewing of the river here. There we go. So, lovely river. Morning. Very old. What's that? It closed down a while. Maybe it was a local pub. There's the local pub. All the benches just chill out. Like literally, this is the village here. And a little shop. Deli, barbers, pharmacy. And yeah, church, and I'm sure there's 2 or 3 other pubs. Then we have a little garden, but if you want that, I like to refer to it as, hold on, there's a walk there. I like to refer to it as the Yates lifestyle. You know, you retreat back to a log cabin, no internet, no nothing, and you just write or draw, or, you know, if you want that very slow pace of life, this would be an excellent place to go. Now, not that there's a hotel here, but you know, you could see about an Airbnb or something, and just a simple life, you know. Not too hectic. Down by the river for inspiration. Go on a nature hike. Very peaceful, very tranquil. And like that's 3.5 minutes and a walk, basically the whole village. Yes. I suppose we'll walk up and see if there's anything outside. There might be a few things towards the church, but I just want to make this one quick video, 5-minute video. Easy to edit, easy to upload because of this trip. Just trying to get as much done as humanly possible. So we might have to bear with me while I do some travel videos. If I don't get enough Irish content.
Right, morning, isn't it?
Lovely. Where's that? Go catch up with these fuckers.
That's basically it. I think we're at 5 minutes. And then you get the little voice of a Dji. That's it. I don't want to go up and then have to come back down. So yeah, that's basically it. Just gonna walk back and I'm gonna cover that 5-minute mark.
I'll see you later on, Isaac. See you later.
lovely potted garden. I don't know if I'm getting the stairs because of the hat, because I'm not a local. It's tourist information, Wi-Fi access, the old courthouse, or if it's the fact that I've got a camera in my hand. I don't know, well, it could be a combination actually, or I'm talking to myself in their eyes. Did you see that lunatic earlier on walking around talking to himself? What yesterday? I forgot to put a bit of Irish into this video. So, Tom had kun do Schuhstraßen on Droid. We are going to go walk across the bridge. It's the way I love to go. Looks like it's a narrow street. It is what it is.